Good morning. Got my run done early this morning. I love doing sunrise runs, especially when it's overcast and cool out, which is a nice refreshing change from what it's been like lately. But this morning on my run, I was thinking about the concept of overcoming the inertia. And what I mean by that is, whatever it is you want to do in life, there's going to be resistance, right? Especially if it's hard, whatever that is. You want to work out in the morning, you want to get up and start working on that book that you want to do, or you want to work towards that promotion at work. It's hard, right? And what I focus on is overcoming the inertia. And what I mean by that is there's initial resistance to anything we do that is hard. And I think about strongman competitions. If you ever watched a strongman competition, I love those. They have this one part of that competition where the strongman actually is attached to this giant rope, and the rope is attached to some large vehicle like a semi-truck or a plane or a train or something. And the goal is for them to pull that gigantic vehicle or object, a certain number of feet. The hardest part of that competition is the beginning, when they have to overcome that initial inertia and get the thing moving. But once they get it moving, the momentum carries it forward and it makes it just a little bit easier. I think of the same thing when I have to get out of bed in the morning to go do my run, or go to the gym, or like I said, work on that book, whatever it is. So the point is, you're going to have that inertia, you're going to have that resistance. Do what you can to try and overcome it. Get up, get your running shoes on, get out of the house, and the momentum will carry you through. That's it for today. Hope you have a great rest of the week, and take care of yourself.